Maybe you have changed, acting like I don't exist. So all that remains is what's left of your happiness. Maybe I'm just ordinary, even though this heart is wounded. You don't know what I feel. I'm no longer the most beautiful to you. I'm not angry that you left. I just never thought you'd be so heartless. You're the one who knows everything about me. You also know how loyal I am. Why did you leave? I've accepted everything, even though forgetting takes a long time. Maybe I have to accept it. It turns out you were not born for me. Maybe I'm just ordinary, even though this heart is wounded. You don't know what I feel. I'm no longer the most beautiful to you. Oh, I'm not angry that you left. I just never thought you'd be so heartless. You're the one who knows everything about me. You also know how loyal I am. Why did you leave? I've accepted everything, even though forgetting takes a long time. Maybe I have to accept it. It turns out you were not born for me. I'm not angry that you left. I just never thought you'd be so heartless. You're the one who knows everything about me. You also know how loyal I am. Why did you leave? I've accepted everything, even though forgetting takes a long time. Maybe I have to accept it. It turns out you were not born for me. Maybe I have to accept it. It turns out you were not born